Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Tucker, place.
Right now, you're witnessing something rare.
No wonder why babies develop stronger empathy and emotional expression with cats living around since early age.
See what these animals have been up to.
Marshmallow. Get you the big camera.
This.
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
Locked in? Oh my gosh, that must be really stressful.
Yeah, sometimes the door isn't the problem.
Yeah, that must be really hard for you, buddy.
Come on, buddy. The baby's privacy won't be leaked through the mum's belly button.
Baby.
Okay, Racers, are you ready? On your mark, get set, go! Oh man! We're gonna go!
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
That's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test. Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
You have different procurement requirements from the city of
本当はしたかった強力なんだということを前提にやっと活動家の皆さんに研究をでき研究によりたいということ。
Poor boys, that is so sweet. Freaking just morning baths. Very
Work. I have to go to work. I have to.
Oh, what's hat?
Oh, nie zobaczyłem. Copper. What's going on, Coop?
The dog's after knowing. Watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Not to let your cat pet you.
Okay, ow.
Shalalabosha.
This thing only shows up after bath time, so Buddy probably has bad impression of it.
Alfie. What are you doing? Oh no!
Looks like someone is...
You're evil. 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 Oh!
This.
You want to say hi to him?
Certainly not. My feeling always was you don't have a Caleb living in your house. You can do something. Yeah, doing the first stroke. It's my
This is not a two-person job.
There you go. She's biting me.
What the just happened?
One, two, three, go!
Having kittens is like having kids because you gotta give them a night kiss before bed.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? Oh, you didn't hurt your paw. You hurt your...
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
Where's the towel? Put it back. That's what you...
He's kicking my hair? Yeah, he's kicking my hair. Feel, girl.
No snack.
Not mad. Snack.
I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay?
Not mad.
No mad. Place.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
It's official. Oh.
He's scared of the kitty. You funny girl. You funny girl. Annie, what are you doing?
Huh?
I can't let you outside.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Like he's a bitch.
So it's completely.
Do the thing. Oh my god.
I'm gonna go swimming. You ready to go in the pool? Are you ready?
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Get off my kitten.
Hey buddy, I can't let you outside.
Please stay. Stay.
When you're not into baths, but your little human is happy with that, and that's all you want.
I'm so beautiful.
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
I don't think.
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat? Ping.
Coming alike.
Don't.
Oh my god.
Outside privileges have been revoked.
That's right.
Bless you, 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 bless you.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Oh,
Stop hunting me. Why are you?
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Hey, it's... Your belly's moving him around. Ouch. Ouch.
Simon likes you.
Ouch.
My boy.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
Sydney decided she wanted to roll in shit at 1:30 in the morning. Look at me.
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
No way. No. No way.
Kiddo's probably dreaming about being in a stiff formal suit.
Look at the camera so we can take our picture. Smile. Don't yawn, smile.
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. You fucker. Give me it.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah! Hello. Ow!
Hello. You want to come over?
Please stay. Stay.
Okay.
Marshmallow. Get you with that camera.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Trying its best. Bro was not impressed.
Can you move? Stop.
is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah!
Atacalo. Yo. Ah, no. Pará, te vas a parar, loca, pará.
Dave, te estás chingando mi...
Olha, bonitinho.
Hey!
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen. It's like, yeah! He won't play with you, he can't.
She just wants to be friends with everything.
And oh, hello! Hello! Oh no!
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Raggy! Stop!
3, 2, 1.
Du-te văi și lucrează, văi. Du-te văi măcar să te vadă șoarece, văi. Văd trânturile, văi. Ieri ai dornită, azi dorni. Trezește-te, văi, putoare, văi, odată.
Bean.
Look at the camera so we can take our picture. Smile. Don't yawn, smile.
Prueba porque me hiciste a fregar conmigo, Rusty. Todo el pinche de ayer me tuviste cagando.
Are you happy, Kermit?
Why does this place look so weird? I definitely need to dig deeper.
Then we find this guy under here. Gizmo. Were you eating my plants?
Theo.
All that to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
I think she could start. Come on. Did you just tune up on salt?
Yeah.
Hey.
Good boy, Kenneth.
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
I'm recording it. I'm gonna show you the picture. He's going again! You costed my water bill!
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
It is clear that peace is not a word existing in their dictionary, you know?
Chunky.
Is he good? Let's think. Rich. Yeah, this one.